This has not been the best morning for people of Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad. Delhi NCR residents have been forced to breathe horrible smog, the smoky layer that is currently over our skies, but breathing the poisonous level of this air as well. The air quality of Delhi NCR this morning has significantly dropped in comparison to last evening. I'm telling you about the average air quality index. It's 349 at least. In the morning, which was about 316 last evening, so there's been definitely an escalation in that. Now, the reason that we are getting from our environment experts is that the western disturbance is active in the Himalayan region, pushing the pollution, the smoke from, for example, the Pakistan region and Punjab belt toward east, which is Delhi NCR. But the AQI index that has clearly spiked, which means the quality of the air has dipped significantly in the last few hours. And I can tell you personally, when I woke up this morning heading to work, it was a difficult air to breathe in. You could see the smog, which may look like a beautiful winter fog, but the kind of poisonous air that we are forced to breathe. And this is just air pollution. On the other side, there is water pollution in our Yamuna rivers. Let's take a look at this ground report sent in by Ashutosh Mishra.
As I was en route further towards NH24, the extremely worrying sign that I see in the second week of November, a thick layer of fog engulfed all over, and that has also drastically reduced the visibilities less than 1.5 kilometer. And most of the vehicles that I see out on the road are using fog lamps. This usually we see in the last week of December or perhaps in the month of January. And here on the Taj Expressway that connects NH24 to rest part of Greater Noida, you see the high-rise apartments are going literally invisible because of the drastic reduction in the visibility. And now as we see further, that explains the furious fog situation, a western disturbance that approached also contributing to this. Of course, the air pollution, air quality index will also decline further. But now this is an extremely thick layer of fog all over Delhi and NCR, and of course perhaps the coldest day so far in this weather. In Greater Noida, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
So remember, air quality index at about 350 shouldn't be normal from any standard. The best air quality, for example, in destinations is in double digits. And that's also considered to be often the worst. 350. And we are making it normal to choke. What are the leaders, the policymakers doing? Every year, there are these promises that come in. Delhi Chief Minister had said they'll take action. The same government is in Punjab. Yet the stubble burning continued. Government at the centre is the BJP. So is the government in Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. And yet what we saw was at least nothing being done at all. Ashutosh Mishra sent us a ground report when he was en route work. He's now joining me live. Ashutosh, I would like to believe that this is the beautiful winter fog that we had been used to all these years, few years ago. Tell me, is this fog or is this poisonous smog?
Well, the smog exactly means smoke and fog. So yes, there are the pollutant which are suspended in the ambience, but largely it is fog. And very basic, if this is actually a smog, we all wouldn't be alive. So clearly this is a fog, and that's very strange. Usually what we see, this comes by end of December and January. So there are pollutants which are suspended in the air, and of course the meteorological factors. As there have been western disturbance approaching from Pakistan, so that has also pushed away all these pollutants towards north and then further advancing to north and northeast. So it will be suspended for another few days. At least there is a high wind speed that clears everything. But very strange what we see images, as I said, in December and January is clearly because reducing visibility, just a smog cannot reduce visibility the way we have seen literally going to 500 meters or a kilometer. And if I just step back, if you see all these area, the air radiously you see the visibility has drastically declined by 700 meters, 800 meters, and in certain areas. In fact, when I was driving on the national highway, so at multiple pockets I realized the visibility was way less than 600 to 700 meters. And that's very strange because usually, as I said, this scenario only develops in the month of January. But this could could be one of the factor because of the western disturbance that has approached. And of course, because of this factor, we already see the air quality index continue to be declined. Though last couple of days, we have seen by 8 o'clock, it was improved from severe, very poor to the poor category. But yet again, this morning, what we noticed, the air quality index has declined further, not in Delhi, perhaps in the Noida, Ghaziabad, Saibabad, way higher than Delhi. So entire NCR and perhaps across North India, the situation remains extremely grim. And this is, of course, very alarming because once the visibility reduces, it largely impacts the transportation, be it the air transportation
Ashutosh,
or
thinking
even
about the
driving
respiratory concerns, each one of us has someone in the family who's recording and reporting to the doctors about cough, cold and much worse. Children and elderly citizens are having the toughest right now because of these pollutants, and it appears nothing is being done about it. Till when will the residents be able to take it in and the impact on the dangers of it on our health? Thank you very much, Ashutosh, for tracking the latest on this. Remember, this is country's capital after all and deserves immediate emergency basis issues.